The very first step is to measure for your sill and a decal limb if it's included at the correct mounting locations in plane with one another. Next, mark your parts. It's more effective to mark them all at the same time. Time to cut. Even though self-tapping screws are provided, we recommend pre-drilling the holes in your cut parts. Be sure to countersink sills and decal looms. The next step is to install your sill adapter. Followed by the decal loom. Pre-drill through the door casing and then install the screw into the countersunk holes. To install the door itself, start by placing the bottom rail behind the pilot screw guide. Once you push the rail to the edge of the door frame and the housing to the opposite side, use the screw provided to anchor the pilot guide. After that, install a second screw on the far side of the rail, followed by the housing screw. Begin installing the top rail the same way. Now pull the pull bar over to make sure the screen is relatively straight. You have to let the top rail flex to its natural point that may not look parallel depending on the door frame. Go ahead and install the second rail screw. The handle comes next. In this application, the front handle will be installed dead center. The back handle will be offset so it can clear the inside door frame. The last part is the magnet. Attach the strike plate into position and mark the magnet mounting location. Pull the bar over and mark the strike plate location. Using a number 1 screw, install the strike plate. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are done. Great job.